ladies and gents, and welcome to Xrissart. In this painting demonstration, I will focus on mixing with pan pastels and how I get the most out of these pan colours. If this is the first time you visited, welcome, and I encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos as I upload them. This painting was mostly done on various live streams. The aim was to show you my process in real time. Unfortunately, there were a lot of interruptions due to chatting, so I thought I would give you an overall summary of my thought process and why I mix these pans the way I do. My philosophy is to use whatever tool so long as it's archival to get the outcome I'm going for. In general, for me, I'm trying to get as much out of the pans as possible, and in most cases I can take this medium to 85 or between 85 to 90% before I start adding pastel pencils for details. I use every kind of brush I can get my hands on, anything from soft tool sponges to hacked up oil painting brushes. I enjoy painting tightly, so the soft tools and sponges take me to part of the way, and then I go in with synthetic and watercolour bristle brushes and makeup bristle brushes. The pans give me the capability of painting wet, action, only dry, and has taken my work to a whole new level. Another thing to remember, the bristle brushes are slower than the soft tools, so keep that in mind when playing with this technique. When mixing pan colours, I mostly use a small piece of 110 GSM cartridge paper, but you can use any kind of paper, so long as it's a surface for you to mix on, or sometimes I mix on the painting project itself. The art supplies I use here are as follows: pan pastels, pastel pencils, soft tools, various bristle brushes, glass seam paper, and masking film, of which I will link how to use this fabulous tool, which I cannot do without. You will notice all the way through this video or painting demonstration, I'm constantly mixing colours, and it's a similar action to painting with watercolour, acrylics and oils. I have quite a few videos on my channel where you will see tips and tricks on mixing pans on various surfaces. But we'll have to say Pastelmat is my surface of choice, and the techniques I have developed have given me the best results, along with having to use no fixative at all. Can I say that like in capital letters? No fixative at all, which is a huge plus. Another thing to note when applying pan pastel on Pastelmat, your first handful of layers will be blotchy. Just keep on working. Pastelmat can sustain many layers. I had a few challenges with this piece. Number one was hands, but more so teeny weeny tiny hands and a very, very small face. So I was struggling there for a little while, but you know, my answer to overcoming any difficulty is to take your time. This is what I had to do in order to be successful. I do like to push myself and figure if I don't do that, I won't ever grow as an artist. Another way to mix pan pastel is to use soft tool applicators and sponges, which I feel is an absolute necessity, of course, and what these pans were designed for. Covering large areas quickly and the ability to blend and mix colours is so important. I hope this has been a little helpful. I invite you to share this video and again mention to subscribe if you would like to see more videos as I upload them. My name is Chrissy. Thanks for watching and keep on keeping on.
Thank you.